Okay, so here are the rest of the pictures. Okay, so once again, this is the cover. You have to have the title on the cover, you have to have the author on the cover, you have to have your name on the cover, and you have to have a picture. I don't care if you draw it, if you want to print something off from the internet, that would be fine. You can, but you do have to have a visual. This is the spine, okay? Again, you have to have the title of the book, the author of the book, and then here you have to have the publisher of the book, okay? Alright, so when you open it up, you have that inside flap. This is the vocabulary. You're going to want to do this last because you have to put them in alphabetical order. It says to use 10 words that you don't know the meaning of, so if you're reading a fantasy book and there's a word in there that's from another language or in a different language other than English, give me the translation and then tell me what the meaning of the word is. If you put these on post-it notes, it'll be easier for you to organize them in alphabetical order, but your vocabulary should be the last thing that you do, okay? So if you look here, this middle part right here, okay, here is the main character with the 5 adjectives of personality. You can use a thesaurus or your adjectives of personality packet that I gave you, but you want to put that on the inside spine, okay? This is the other side. Here is your biography. Once again, you're going to give me a picture. If you want to draw it, that's fine. I don't care. Michelle drew her picture. It's a stick figure. You can use a real picture. It doesn't matter. But what you're going to do is you're going to use your information. So give me your name, the day you were born, things that you like to do, your interests, your hobbies, anything that you want to tell about yourself goes here. You can talk about your siblings if you so choose, and it also says that you can give your place of residence. Just tell me you live in Mont Belvieu. Don't give me your physical address, okay? So you can also tell me about your family. The day you were born is an important date, so you should get the idea. Alright, so here's where your chapter summaries are. Okay, so this is where you're going to have to take your chapters, you're going to have to divide them into 10, and then give me the chapters. So, let's say that I have 30 chapters. This first place, I'm going to do 1 through 3, then 4 through 6, then 7 through 10, and on and on and on. Now, if you have a odd number, just tack it on to the beginning or the end. So, for example, if I have 33 chapters, I'm going to do like 1 through 4, 5 through 8, and then I would do 9 through 12. Well, then I would do 3 each. I would go with 13 through 15, 16 through 18, 19 through 21, 22 through 24, 25 through 27, 28 through 29, or 27 through 29, through 30, then 31, 32, and 33. Okay, so 31 through 33. Alright? So just use your best judgment. If you need my help, send me an email and I'll help you divide it up. Okay? This is the problems and the solutions. You are going to give me a visual representation of the problem, the solution that came out of it, and you're going to give me a 1-sentence description of the problem and the solution. You're going to find 3 of those in your book, and you're going to give those to me. Now, if you look over here, this is your summary part, the beginning of your summary. So the beginning of your summary is here, the middle is here, and it continues on over to here, and then you have the end. The instructions are in there. It asks you to begin on 5 and continue. It's a 3-paragraph summary of the book, beginning, middle, and end. If you go over to page 4 of your student packet, there's a graphic organizer that you can use if you want to use it. If not, that's fine. You don't have to use it. It's just there to help you. So the panels that are right here, they are the 3-paragraph summary, the beginning, the middle, and the end. Okay, and then the last thing that you're going to do is this back side. So the top half right here above this bold line, you are going to write a paragraph that highlights the most exciting element of the book. That's going to be the climax. This paragraph should make the reader want to read the book, but should not include your personal opinion. On the bottom half of the panel, which is right here below that line, you are going to write a 1-paragraph review of the book. So this is where you tell me whether or not you liked it and why and all of those things. Okay? So I think that's it. Hopefully the instructions are clear. If you have any questions, you can email me or send me a message on here letting me know that you saw the video for Google Classroom, and good luck.